It's July in AA and you're wondering, what do you need to do in your garden? No worries, I got your back. In July in AA, you can plant a lot of seeds. Let's go over what you can plant in your garden. Hey guys, so I've got my seeds out here for you and I'm going to show you which ones you can plant in July. It is July 9th when I'm filming this, and so I've already planted the cabbage. You have a couple more days to do this. You want to do this inside, and then a couple more seeds that you want to plant inside, but sometime no later than next weekend, is your cauliflower and your broccoli. Outdoor, you've got a ton more options. You've got direct seed of eggplant, corn, winter squash, and pole beans. Also potatoes and okra. The following seeds that I'm going to tell you about, you can actually plant them up until August 1st, and that would include your zucchini and summer squash, your cucumbers, parsnip, and snap beans. Hopefully this was helpful. I'm going to give you a cheat sheet here in a moment, and thanks for watching.